this issue of Endoscopy, a collective multidisciplinary group of researchers from the Erasmus Medical Center in Rotterdam and Technical University in Delft, both located in the Netherlands, report on a large infectious outbreak linked to a newly introduced duodenoscope with a modified design. This report raises concerns pertaining reprocessability of complex endoscopes and their microbiological safety. Infections are a recognized risk of endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography or ERCP. Our center was recently confronted with a large outbreak of VIM-2-producing Pseudomonas aeruginosa that we were able to trace back and link to the introduction and use of a novel duodenoscope with a modified design. We performed extensive epidemiological investigations and molecular typing in order to identify the source of this outbreak. Audits on implementation of infection control measures were performed, and various infection control strategies were executed to prevent further transmission. The design and the ability to clean and disinfect the duodenoscope were evaluated, and for this we dismantled the distal scope tip to search for potential issues pertaining reprocessability and microbiological safety. From January to April 2012, 30 patients with a VIM-2 positive Pseudomonas aeruginosa were identified, of whom 22 had undergone an ERCP using a specific duodenoscope, the Olympus TGFQ 180V. This was a significant increase compared with the hospital-wide baseline level of 2 to 3 cases per month. Clonal relatedness of the VIM-2 Pseudomonas aeruginosa was confirmed for all 22 cases and for the VIM-2 strain isolated from the recess under the forceps elevator of the duodenoscope. Further studies into the modified design, including the dismantling of the duodenoscope tip, revealed that the fixed distal cap hampered cleaning and disinfection, and that the O-ring might not seal the forceps elevator axis sufficiently. The high monthly number of cases decreased below the pre-existing baseline level following withdrawal of the TGFQ 180V device from clinical use. Dear colleagues, we conclude that design modifications of complex scopes, including duodenoscopes, may compromise microbiological safety as illustrated by this outbreak. It is our strong belief, therefore, that extensive pre-marketing validation of the reprocessability of any new endoscope design and stringent post-marketing surveillance are mandatory.